Hello everybody and welcome to Storming Coasters. Today I'll be reviewing Veangence, an RMC Hybrid roller coaster located at Cedar Point. This one will be very controversial, just going to warn you. So make sure to stick around till the end to hear my thoughts on Veangence. But before I start, please subscribe to Storming Coasters for daily uploads about roller coasters. Or almost every day. Almost. But let's begin with some stats of Veangence. Veangence stands at a height of 205 feet tall. It travels at a speed of 74 miles per hour and has a track length of 5,740 feet long and a duration of 2 minutes and 30 seconds. The drop of the ride is 90 degrees steep. The ride has 4 inversions. The ride runs 3 trains and there's 6 cars per train. 2 people per row, 2 rows per car, so there are 24 riders available on each train. The ride capacity is 1,200 riders per hour. This ride used to be a trash and wood coaster until RMC came in and completely changed up the experience. And that's where we're headed next, the experience. So before you get into the queue line, you'll need to put any large items such as backpacks, fanny packs, anything you can't fit into your pockets, into a locker that you will rent. But once you've got that sorted out, you can enter the line with your phone, keys, wallet, etc. The line can get very long. The average wait time for it while I was there was about an hour and a half, but I also saw it get up to 3 hours. And the Fastlane Plus, they will get you on a train in about 45 minutes. And that's kind of a long time for the Fastlane Plus. But once you are at these metal detectors, if you have a phone on you or anything in your pockets, you must go to the left where they have free lockers that you can store your small loose articles in. If not, continue to the right. But then once you get up to the station, you are assigned a specific row. Once you get in line for your row, wait a train or two, and then board the train. Buckle your seatbelt and then wait for the staff to pull down your lap bars. And no, you're not allowed to pull down on your own lap bars. But once you dispatch from the station, you've got a very long ride ahead of you. Go through the transfer shed and then start slowly descending while turning 180 degrees to the right. Go over a couple of bunny hops before starting your ascent of the lift hill. It will take you about 35 seconds to get to the top. And yeah, I'm going to skip ahead. So yeah. Actually, I forgot to mention that East Coasters was the person, or was the YouTube channel, who allowed me to use their footage for this POV. And their link will be in the description of this video. Make sure to subscribe to them. But once you crest that top of the lift hill, start speeding down your first drop. Go over a bunny hop and then at a right outer bank turn. Then go to the right a bit more and another right outer bank turn. I realize I'm going a bit fast for this ride. But then go into an airtime hill followed by a 0G roll. And then a mini wave turn before going into a sort of cutback type thing. But go into another airtime hill and then a double up and into the mid-course brake run. Go about 45 degrees to your left and then drop from the mid-course before another double up and then over another airtime hill. And then to the left, right an overbank turn and a 0G roll before 2 bunny hops and then a mini wave turn. Yep, there's a lot going on. But go into another 0G roll before another small overbank turn, then 5 bunny hops in a row, then slide into the brake run. It is a pretty good layout. But ride back into your station and then exit the train. Go get your stuff out of the free lockers or if you have a backpack or something, just go get your stuff out of the laundry lockers, and then go on with your day. This ride has airtime. All people talk about with this ride is airtime. But all of the airtime, at least to me, just feels like some weak, sometimes strong floater. But I didn't feel any ejector during the ride, except maybe just a little. But to me, this felt just a step up from the family coaster. It did not impress me at all. Sorry about that sound, but at Cedar Point, the roller coasters that I felt were on par or even better than Steel Vengeance were Blue Streak, Magnum XL200, Maverick, Millennium Force, and Raptor. This is probably pretty surprising to you. And I think that it might be because the ride operators have to push down your lap bar, so, like you don't get any room to get airtime. I think that if I could pull down my own lap bar, it would be, like, way better airtime. But yeah, would I recommend riding Steel Vengeance during your visit to Cedar Point? Yes, of course I would. And I'd say that you should ride it as early as possible, before the crowds kick in. But Steel Vengeance did disappoint me, and did not deliver what I was looking for. It was still fun, though. But anyways, that's going to wrap up today's video. I hope you enjoyed. Make sure to subscribe to Storming Coasters and like this video. Comment your thoughts on Steel Vengeance, and have a great day.